Kim Kardashian just released her vegan style taco recipe, and I'm all for giving it a try, seeing what all the hype is with Beyond Meat, which is a plant-based substitute, is all about. This will be my first time trying a plant-based meat substitute, so I'm curious to see what it will taste like, and I'll give you my review at the end of this video. In the meantime, I'm going to follow Kim's recipe step by step. So let's get started. And here are the ingredients needed to make Kim's vegan style tacos. The main ingredient here is Beyond Beef, the plant-based ground beef. Her recipe calls for 2 pounds of this, but I'm only doing 1 pack, which is 1 pound, and therefore halving the rest of the ingredients. With 1 pound package, I was able to make at least 8 tacos. I'll have this list of ingredients listed below in the description. Also, her recipe calls for using almond flour tortillas. However, I couldn't find almond flour tortillas, so I'm using organic wheat and corn flour tortillas instead. Alright, let's get to the prepping and cooking next. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. And we're going to cook the 1 pound of Beyond Meat plant. This is what it looks like from the package. When the oil gets hot, place it into the pan and use a wooden spoon to break it up.
The thing that I really love about Beyond Meat is it has 0 cholesterol. That's like crazy in comparison to, real meat, and it has 1/3 less of the saturated fat. So there is a big difference. It's just a plant-based alternative to meat that looks like meat, tastes like meat. I'm such a fan.
Interesting, good info there. Next, we can start adding the seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of onion powder, 3/4 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of kosher salt, more to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/4 cup water. Add more if needed. 1 tablespoon of organic ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of agave, and mix all ingredients together.
How did this start? Like, what made you decide to, make that lifestyle change to going plant-based?
I think I watched a documentary on it. I did it not religiously, only when I was at home, and I just met chefs that love to cook plant-based and were teaching me so much about like sea moss and all of this like amazing food that had these really good health benefits. So I would always say like I'm plant-based when I'm at home, but I'm not plant-based if I go to a restaurant. Like I can't control myself.
Yeah.
Then I stopped, I got over it. Or maybe a year later, I got reintroduced to it. I think I tried something that was just really good and it was plant-based. I luckily have the help of amazing chefs that have figured out how to find the things that I really love and to make a plant-based version of that. I never want to be a hypocrite and say like, if I do go out and want fish like once a month, then I'll have that.
Okay, so from what Kim is saying, it seems Kim is not completely vegan, but mainly plant-based at home. And back to the cooking. Once this looks ready, we can set this aside. Now we can heat up the tortillas. Add about a tablespoon of avocado oil into the pan. Then place 1 tortilla over the avocado oil and then flip over. And I try to get them nicely heated on both sides. And repeat the process and do the same with the other tortillas. So just to give you an idea, I was able to make about 8 tacos with a 1 pound of Beyond Meat. After you've heated the tortillas, we can start adding the taco ingredients, starting with adding some Beyond Meat plant. Then adding sour cream, dairy-free as Kim prefers. Then adding cheddar shreds. Kim prefers the Violife brand. Then add some diced tomatoes. Some finely shredded lettuce. Sliced avocado. And optionally some cilantro. You could also add small diced white onion and salsa, but these are optional as well according to Kim's recipe. And there you go, Kim's vegan style taco recipe using Beyond Meat plant-based. Now you just need to add the ingredients the same way for the rest of the tacos. I am so ready to taste this and give you my review next. Alright, I'm gonna give it a try. Kim Kardashian's vegan tacos. See how these taste. Okay. Yeah, packed with a lot of flavor in here. The meat, I wouldn't be able to tell that this is vegan. This is really good. The meat tastes just like beef. It tastes just like ground beef. Yeah, this is really good. This is really a flavorful taco. If you served it to me like this, I wouldn't think it was vegan. I would have thought this is a ground beef taco. All the seasoning we put on the Beyond Meat, it's flavorful. It's really good. Yeah, this is really good. Love the taco. Yeah, overall, I think this is a really good taco. This is a really good taco even for a vegan. I would have not thought this was a vegan taco, but all the seasoning we put on the meat, it's very flavorful and really good. The sour cream, cheese, tomato, lettuce, avocado, all good stuff to put in. Yeah, I don't think I would change one bit. I would make and eat this again. So yeah, I give this a 10 out of a 10, 2 thumbs up. Thanks for sharing, Kim Kardashian. And if you guys haven't tried these out, try it out. If you're vegan, try it out. If you're not vegan, even try it out. Check out Beyond Meat. I think it tastes just like ground beef. So yeah, give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.